So let's welcome Amar Padmanabhan.
Hi, everybody. My name is Amar Padmanabhan. I'm an engineer at Facebook. Today, I'm going to offer some insights into the state of connectivity and how it can be a driver for the next decade of open software at the foundation. To kick it off, let's start with some good news. Global access to the internet is improving. 51% of individuals are now connected to the internet, and 4G coverage is projected to improve from 33% to 60% by 2022. This is amazing and really important. Access to reliable connectivity has become critically important for the livelihood of people across the globe. Research shows how important the internet is to improve people's livelihoods. 77% of people use the internet to learn job-related skills. 74% of people use the internet to discover new job opportunities, and 60% of people use the internet to pursue an education. It's like YouTube videos, anyone. So the internet is so much more than a luxury. It is a basic need. But there is always a but. We're starting to see a problem. While access to the internet and 4G speeds continues to improve, the speed of these networks is forecast to decline in developing and emerging markets, roughly 3/4 of the world's population. This is unfortunately going to create a new kind of digital divide, where some part of the population is having differentiated rich content with augmented reality experiences and others will not. Obviously, this isn't good for the mobile ecosystem, but more importantly, this also has massive economic implications for people in developing and emerging markets. If we dive deeper into why network performance is going down, it's pretty simple to see the economics. We have three forces at work that are making it hard for the operators. First, data consumption is skyrocketing. In some emerging markets, we are seeing usage of 1 gigabyte per day. The internet is the main source of entertainment and information in these markets. Second, the average revenue per user, ARPU, is declining. So while networks are getting loaded and people are consuming more bandwidth, mobile operators are making less money per user. And finally, unless operators change the way networks are managed, OpEx will stay relatively flat. It's not hard to understand that these factors combined, operators are going to struggle to invest in network capacity sufficient to keep up with demand. Thus, there is a need to rethink the way we build and offer connectivity solutions. As we rethink how networks should be built, we realize that there is significant vision alignment between the OIF and Magma community around connectivity. Connectivity is this phenomenal mandate to take on as a community of people who care about the impact of technology on every human. This is also why I'm personally so excited about this collaboration. Over the last year, we have been working with the OIF community in moving Magma from a Facebook incubated project to more of a community-led software development project. Without further ado, what is Magma? A good way to think about it is to start by thinking about the problem statement around the network. A network in rural Brazil looks the same as a network in downtown San Francisco, a one-size-fits-all model. The problem, though, of connecting the next billion users to a higher quality internet is a problem of heterogeneity. Heterogeneity in access technology, Wi-Fi, 5G, LTE, depending on how the user is accessing the internet. Heterogeneity in scale, is it a 2-site deployment in the Amazon jungle or a 200-site deployment in a peri-urban area? And heterogeneity in a business model. So a solution that addresses this need needs to allow for all access technologies, LTE, Wi-Fi, and 5G, support scale-out architectures that were popularized by web-scale companies for different size of deployments, and allow for customization through permissive licenses and extensible APIs to enable new and novel business cases. Tying all of this together into something concrete Release 1.3 is available now and supports fixed wireless, carrier Wi-Fi, and private LTE use cases. There is a Magma 101 talk on Tuesday that will cover all of this in greater detail. Looking forward to collaborating with everyone on the next decade of open connectivity software, starting with Magma. Thank you.